Okay, so this is 6.3 resubmission, and one thing I learned here was I had to use sequential applications with integers dealing with the step numbers, and before I had it just going one step at a time with the transitions and actions, and my reset was off. But here we have the right ladder diagram now, and I'm going to go over the 7 steps here to show you that it actually runs. So we got it running now, and we're getting step 0. So first of all, we need to get this to start. We need all these true, so we're going to go to the step 1. And just like that, we're on step 1. You can have these equal to move blocks, and almost all of them. And you can see down here we have my initial reset just right here. So we'll keep going with the steps, and we are on step 2, so we need to make label procs true, and we should be able to go true from there. Now we're on step 2. It's actually really nice. I think I find this way more easier and more understanding. So now we get to turn this to true procs. Now we're in step 3, and now we just need 4 more steps to go. So now we're going to turn this to true. Now we are in step 4, and for step 4 we're going to turn on the label cylinder extended limit switch, and then we got should be to step 5. Perfect, just like that. Now on step 5 we're activating the motor. So this is supposed to be 225, but I switched it to 3 so we could actually get by the problem. So instead of 225 it goes to 3, so now we are on step 6. As step 6 has us have TTU to be true to move on to step 7, which is going to be our last step. So you can see now that we're on the allow carrier to move out, which is the last step. You can see that our extended limit switch was always on, and that brings us to our last step, which is step 7. You can see that car catch extended limit switch is always going to be on as it asks in the problem. So we have here our actions, and we have our hard reset just right here. And one thing I learned mainly was from 6.1 to 6.3 is that this is more easier to understand. So I went over the 7 steps, and this is the resubmission.